Hey guys, this is an Emerson heat fan, aka Blenderfan. Later 3-blade one with fake wood grain plastic blades and the stamped brackets. It was new in the box, and it appears to be later than any of the other ones I have, both new in the box and not new in the box, because it used a ball socket mounting bracket, which I didn't know was ever used on Blenderfans. And I think I forgot to bring that upstairs. I brought everything upstairs and I neglected to bring that. We got the box over here. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at the manual and see if the manual shows anything. There's the ball and socket mounting bracket right there. Model HF 3521. The 1 is different, so I'm assuming that effective amount of air volume moved past a plane 20 feet from the fan. Let's see. Let's try it out with the decade capacitor. There's 1, 2, 3.15. I was telling Andy earlier that when I was a kid, my dad used to take me to a popcorn shop near his job in downtown Madison that had 2 of these. One of them was always on, and it was on the short factory down rod. And the other one was never on, and it was on a very long down rod. But it was interesting because the ceiling height was exactly the same in both places. Wish I could remember what it was called. This is 4, by the way, 4.21. Because I would then see if Andy had been there, but you probably would remember the fans if he'd been there.
Yeah, we didn't go downtown much.
5.27. We only went downtown when there was some reason, something to do with my dad and his work.
Mm-hmm.
Which, in my memory, were always, let's just go see Dad at work. But I'm sure there's always some ulterior motive that the kids didn't know about. 6. This is the smoothest plastic blade Emerson I've ever seen in terms of balance, in terms of not wobbling at all. It's just, I've never seen one that didn't wobble. Oh, by the way, the canopy and down rod and hanger bracket are all from the 36-inch one because I didn't want to rig the ball socket. 7.38. 8. 9. 10.55. There's a little bit of wobble there. 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me make sure that I know what high draws. Okay, so these are the same as the... This is the same motor as what is used in the Blenderfan Palisades. 5. 6. Sorry, 15, 16. 17. 18. 19. 20 is 0.9. 25 is 1.0. 30 is 1.04. Okay, that's too high. 27. 28 is too high. 27 is the highest we can go. Really, this shouldn't be any different air movement wise than any other Emerson with these blades. I mean, there's 3 of them. Should be about the same as the Hunter as well. I'd say so. Maybe even slightly less than the Hunter. No, I take that back. It took some time, but I'm feeling it now. Probably is less than the Stratojet, though. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea. You have no idea how happy I'd be if this had fiberglass blades. Spin down time's pretty good, despite how stiff the bearings were right out of the box. Part of that is letting it run on high for a bit, I think, and part of it is probably that the plastic blades are very heavy. You want to see one of these really fly, put a set of wood, Emerson, or Fasco blades on it. Okay, solid state control. Sure, since we're getting shots from below, I'll get a shot from below. Is there an Emerson E somewhere on the side of the motor? Because I always like those. No Emerson E. Still no rain though, just wind. You get weather alerts on your phone?
Yeah, I was seeing what time it was. All the local news shows are over till 10.
Okay, thanks for watching.